Welcome back, everybody. So as you probably can tell from the title of this video, I am celebrating 1 million subscribers. Thank you to you all. Without you, this would not be happening. Now, for those of you that follow me regularly, I know I said maybe a week ago I was going to do a live stream for this, but I just couldn't get it together. I don't know what's going on in my neighborhood, but my internet signal is just really weak. So it's kind of unstable to live stream for whatever reason. So I decided to do this video. I am doing a giveaway. Now, for each week in November, I decided to pay for someone's dinner. I'm gonna Cash App someone $100. I did that for 4 weeks in November and I missed it this past Monday. So I wanna go ahead and do a giveaway. My last Cash App giveaway will be now. And I'm going to pick 5 people anywhere around the world. Hopefully I can get a package to you. I'm going to do a giveaway of a care package. It's going to include a signed copy of my cookbook. And for those of you that didn't know, I published my cookbook August 17th on Amazon. Now you can find it on Walmart.com, Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and yay. I was excited about that. That was a huge milestone, along with this milestone this year. Now, for the million subscriber giveaway, it's 5 care packages. I'm going to pick 5 people. And like I said, signed cookbook. You know those bowls that you guys always comment on when I'm making like doughs or mixing things? It kind of has like the textured bowl. I bought you guys 1 for each care package. I'm also going to include just some other goodies, things that, I don't know, maybe I use, things I like, seasoning, spices. I know a lot of you say that wherever you're at, you can't find chile guajillos, chili powder, things like that. So I'm going to include just fun stuff like that. It's really a thank you. I just wanted to send you something that you guys always ask for. I know you, and I'll also include a ramen noodle pot. I don't know. You know the pot that I always boil my dried chilies in? Yeah, that one. I'll include that for you guys. So anyways, below this video, I want you guys to put your Cash App if you want to include yourself in that giveaway. I will be choosing one person to Cash App $100, dinner on me. This will be the last one to close out the month of November that I didn't get to before November ended. So I'm going to pick one person to Cash App $100 to, and I'm going to choose 5 people to send a care package. That's my way of saying thank you. Again, not to sound like a broken record, but none of this would be possible without you guys watching, sharing, liking, supporting what I do. Each and every one of you, even if you left a hate comment, that was a view for my channel. So I just want to say thank you. It has been a tough year for everyone. And I wish with the publishing of my cookbook, I could have done a meet and greet. I could have signed cookbooks. I could have met you all, whether you brought a cookbook to sign or not. That's not the point. I just want to, meet my audience and just say thank you in person. Now, hopefully sometime next year, maybe this time next year I could do that, or in the future. I would love to do a book signing. So for those of you that would like a signed copy, I'm going to include that in the care package. So go ahead and put your Cash App if you want to be part of that, or go ahead and comment something, and I will pick 5 people. And what's going to happen is once I pick you, I'm going to comment below this video and say, hey, you won. Send me your mailing address and I will mail you the care package, and I will extend this to my international audience. I don't care where you are in the world. Now, if I have some kind of trouble or delay getting a package to you, I will email you back. So right now, put well wishes, say hello, yes, I want care package, or I want Cash App, or I want both. Put me in the raffle for both. I don't know. And I'm going to leave the comment section. I'm going to leave it up, but for future people that watch this, maybe a week ahead in the future, I'm going to close out the raffle or the giveaway within an hour of this video posting. So if you see that the video has been up already past an hour, I'd probably already have chosen my winners. So I will put an update in the community tab. I don't know if you are familiar with that. The community tab is located, if you go to my YouTube channel, there's like the little tabs at the top. It'll say home or community, or I can't remember each one. But if you click on the community tab, that'll show like updates that I give or little posts. And I will put all the winners there when I choose them. And I will reach out to the winners. Like I said, look below this comment section. And if I comment on your comment, that makes sense, that means you won. I'll put, hey, you won the giveaway, or you won the Cash App, or whatever. So best of luck to you all. Thank you. I wish I could, like I said, give away more, help you guys more, maybe in the future. But for now, I just want to say thank you. And hopefully this giveaway, whether it's the cash or the care package, and there's my cat, whether it's a care package, I just want you to know that my family and I are so thankful for you, and I am sending you nothing but love. Okay, good luck everybody, and congratulations to us. This milestone, I share it with you because it would not have happened without your support, kind words, and love of this channel. So, good luck. See you in the next video. Bye.